Take a ride in the 2020
Hyundai Palisade. The Hyundai Palisade includes loads of interior room, third-row seating, and a stylish exterior. Throw in all the additional technology features, and your family will be thrilled to ride around in style.
Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, Bluetooth, power steering, front wheel drive, keyless ignition, AM/FM stereo radio, power door locks, electronic stability control, power windows, daytime running lights, alarm, towing package, rear spoiler. Your new ride is just a phone call away.